No lanterns. No Kryptonian.
Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest, and right now the World Cup, that is the FIFA World Cup, is upon us. So this summer what you want really is a nice video projector so you can watch all the matches, all the games with your friends outside or at home, of course, anywhere. If you have a nice video projector, it really helps to, to just watch the games anywhere you want. So here we have it. We have the Excelvan Q7 World Cup edition. That's actually a World Cup edition. It comes here. It's like a little symbol here of a football player. It says 2018. That's the year now that it's happening. And it says Russia. Obviously, Russia is the country that's hosting the FIFA World Cup this year. So once you open the box, you'll have several items inside, and I'm going to describe them. You have the user's manual right here, so you definitely want to read that. You want to check all the details, everything that's, there's obviously things that you need to learn before starting to use the projector. Also, the warranty card from the brand actually, Excelvan, very cool brand. It almost sounds like a metal band or something like that. Excelvan, that's a cool brand right there. The power cable, you'll have it here. By the way, I'm going to turn the projector around and show you the ports. This is the power port right here where you will connect the power cable, so that's one. Also the HDMI cable, so that will go here. There's two HDMI ports. That's very cool. Usually projectors only have one. This one has two. Obviously the HDMI, that's where you will connect it to, most likely than not, to your computer, but also any other device that has HDMI ports that are compatible for that. That's what you're going to use it for. The remote control, so you can sit back and control all the functions from the projector without actually having to touch it. So that's what remote controls are for, and we're all very familiar with them. That's how it works. The AV component cable here, which again, there's the AV port right here, so you will go there, usually to connect to TVs, but as well other displays and other devices whenever it's compatible. And finally, the VGA cable, and here's the big port, the blue port here for the VGA cable. Again, usually it's to connect to your computer in most cases, but there's other devices as well that support VGA, so that's what this cable is for. Also, you might have noticed there's a 3.5mm jack right here. That's for headphones, but also for other audio, stereo, and not just stereo, other audio systems that might be compatible with that. You can just connect there, so you have a very good very good sound to go with your movies or your football matches or whatever. If you don't want to have anything to connect, don't worry, because this projector has a built-in speaker, a sound speaker right here on the side, which has very good sound, so you don't need to worry about that. It's more than enough to listen to whatever is being projected. Also in the back, we have function buttons, several here. If you're operating in a manual way, if you're close to it, you might use that. So we have the power button, we have the OK button, which is the enter button to select things when you're operating the menus inside. You have several others, M, S, up and down, left and right, again to select all the many different options you have in the menus once it's turned on. Now, the most important part, the most important piece of the projector obviously is the lens here, where the image will be projected, hence the name projector, video projector. It comes with a protection case right here, very useful. Keep this, when you're not using it, you want to have that in there so it doesn't get dusty or you don't scratch it with anything. So yeah. Also here on top of it, there's a little widget here for focus. So you just turn it left and right to get the right picture. And speaking of picture, let's go to the specs. The Excelvan Q7 supports up to 1080p resolution. As for brightness, it's 3200 lumens, contrast ratio 1000 to 1, and you can put the projector from 1.8 meters up to 5 meters away from the wall or whatever surface you're using to project the picture. Also, it projects from 55-inch up to 160-inch the display. That is, you can get a picture up to 160-inch, so you can really have your own cinema if you have the space for it, of course. So that's it for the specs, but still, check the links below this video for all the details, the pricing, very good pricing, all the other specs, everything you need to know. Like and subscribe and check GearBest.com. It's the place to go if you need a video projector. We have so many and they're all great, all for different kinds of usage. This one is really good if you want a projector to watch the games for the FIFA World Cup 2018 this year. Thank you for watching.